What is going on, beautiful people? My name is Corbin and this is my beautiful girlfriend Amy, and this is the little kitten that we saved yesterday. Was it yesterday?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. So she's going with us. Today we are going to Target. We have been informed by a viewer, and then it was confirmed by Cincy Game Hunting, that Target is having a massive clearance sale on their electronics, like their gaming headsets, gaming controllers, Switch controllers. So we're gonna go to Target and we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna see if we can't find anything good, either for personal or to flip online for a profit.
Just got to the little electronics section. Peep this. This is a Nest Wi-Fi Google thingy. Was $100, now it's $30. That's insane.
We definitely need this, because this extends your Wi-Fi throughout the house up to 4,500 square feet. So we could probably put one in the garage, the detached building, game room, and then office.
Yeah. But we don't really need one in the game room because the Wi-Fi is in the game room.
Yeah. I don't know. We've been needing this for a long time, so we'll go ahead and get this. This is what we came here for. As you can see, these GMG headsets were $40. Now they're half off. They marked down to $19.99. $20 for a Turtle Beach headset is not bad at all. Then up here we have another GMG Stealth 600 Gen 2. For the PlayStation, it's white. It was $100. Now it's $30. So 70% off.
GMG back there.
Where?
Right behind you. Well, that's what it says.
Isn't this what we had?
No, we have the
Clouds. Oh, the Cloud 2s are on sale.
That's what I'm saying. We have the Cloud 2.
Oh, is that the ones we have?
Newer ones, yeah.
Okay. So these were on sale for $49.99. Now they're $25. Looks like they're out of stock. Nice little Steel Series keyboard. Was $130. Now it's $65. So again, looks like about a 50% sale all the way around.
Yo, are the Astro headsets on sale? Dang. You need a new pair of Astros. Are these good or bad?
Nah, I'll pass on those.
Okay.
Let's keep looking. Astro A10s appear to be 50% off as well. Looks like Super Mario Maker 2 is on sale from $60 down to $40. Not a terrible deal for a sealed copy. Okay, so it looks like they have some of their lower end headsets on sale as well. As you can see, was $15, now $12.74, and same with this one over here. It looks like the exact same thing, in my opinion. Also, we've gotten stopped so many times because of this darn kitty. Like, she is honestly the star of the show now. So quite a few routers over here for sale. This Nighthawk was $300, now it's $149, so 50% off of a expensive big ticket item is always a good deal. So if you need a mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, advanced whole home Wi-Fi, there you go. Yeah, there's so many things on sale here, guys. And there's some smaller sales, like save $20, but that's not really what we're here for. Little Ethernet unmanaged switch thingy was $35, now it's $10. Editor Amy here. So I know you guys are probably watching this video thinking, wow, your content really sucks. Why are you posting this type of content? Well, we know that Christmas is coming up in a few short months, and there are some people out there that, unfortunately, whenever it comes to those type of seasons, it's a little rough. So we like to post things like this, allowing you guys to get really, really good deals on possible Christmas gifts. Now, I'm not going to talk about it too much because I know it's a rough topic, but that's why we tend to post these types of things. So, the more you know. Not bad. See right here, this $75 router is now $22. So if y'all need like to upgrade your routers for better gaming playability online, good deals right here. Really good deals. Y'all, it looks like there was a bunch more on sale, but someone just got here before us. I mean, look at all of those yellow stickers. If you see a yellow sticker, that means it's on sale. Yeah, it just looks like someone kind of came here before us and cleared the place out, so that's always fun. All right, guys, they have this HP 14-inch laptop. It was originally $500 and they have it marked down to $250. Not bad if you're in the market for a new laptop. And then they also have this Acer. Obviously, it's sold out right here, but
If it's still in stock in your store, it's gonna be $100.
Lenovo for 150 was 330.
Oh, Lenovo's good. I like Lenovo.
This little PC mouse Razer Viper Mini was 40 bucks. Now it's 12.
Not bad. Oh, they have some more stuff down here. They have this GMG headset, was 50, now $24.99.
There's the iCloud too. That's the one we bought. From
Yeah.
Best Buy.
These are actually really, really nice headphones.
Themed Switch cases here that are 30% off. This is the one I have right here. I think, is this the new Pokemon one?
Yeah, they got a new Pokemon one. This one's cute. It's only 14. All right, Corbin found this sick little Halo stand for your controller.
Or phone.
Or phone.
Very detailed.
And then there's also this one, this little Boba Fett. This one's actually on sale, but we're gonna go take this one, scan her, and see if she might be on clearance. Scan this. Oh, she's not on sale. This headset was actually on clearance at the other store, but over here it's $4.49. It's insane how different the clearance is from store to store. All right, so I don't think we're gonna pick these up per se, but these were $150 and now $45. I mean, that's a fantastic deal.
Really nice. Those are wireless too.
Yeah.
And then we have the Stealth 600s from Turtle Beach. They were 100, now they're 30. So guys, come to Target. There's really good deals right now. That, if I didn't have one, a nice headset, I'd probably get. Actually, that's PS4 and PS5 only.
Ew.
And that's PS4 only. Oh, so the ones that we would use aren't even on sale.
Yo, they have this Logitech Stream Cam. It was $170, now $50.
All of our little Twitch streamers out there, this might be a good little cam.
Jeez.
Even 50 bucks is kind of expensive.
What is Target on, man? Why are they doing
They're on
so
sales.
many? Okay. Yeah.
Mew, what are they on?
See, they're on sales. Yeah. All right, guys, we just got home. We put Little Bits, aka Mew, down on the. Oh, we haven't told them Mew, right? You haven't said their name?
So, guys, we've really enjoyed you all picking names. I think the ones we really liked were Ghost. You all suggested Cortana, which was really, really cool name. However, Amy and I were thinking last night, we learned this kitty is the second rarest breed of cat.
Yeah.
So it is a diluted tortie.
Yep, diluted tortie.
Diluted tortie. This is a, believe it or not, guys, this is a $2,000 kitten right here. Very rare. A lot has to go right. I think only 1 out of every 1,000 cats are a tortie, and 1 out of every 3,000 end up being a diluted tortie. So this is like an Egyptian cat, and you can kind of see by the face here, she doesn't look like a normal cat, and she looks like Mew the Pokemon.
So we're thinking, because she's a super rare cat and Mew is the rarest Pokemon, Mew.
So let us know what y'all think about the name Mew. It's our little YouTube. Well, I guess both of them are YouTube kitties, but did we show us getting those cats on the film?
Yeah.
We did. Okay. Alrighty, so here's a little update. She's starting to eat. She's finally pooped and peed, so that's good. The cats are starting to not hiss at her as much.
Yeah, Misty came up and licked her. So, pretty happy about that. She had a long day. She was in the backpack all day long. Just went to Targets with us. We ended up going to GameStop and a Goodwill or two. And she was there and everybody loved her. No one said, "Why do you have a cat?" So everyone loved it. And she did too. She loved the attention.
Alright guys, we'll now go to the kitchen and we'll show you all everything we picked up. Hopefully you all enjoy, and hopefully you all find some good deals, because deals are out, especially this week.
Yeah.
Not a super big haul today, but I think the deal today was definitely these Ghost Recon Turtle Beach PS5 and PS4 headsets. Now I know these are like the standard headsets, it's not the fancy pro gamer ones, but for a $15 original price marked down to $4.49, we went ahead and just grabbed the last two they had. Stuff like this, it's always good to buy and kind of educate ourselves on like what sells good on what not, what won't sell good. So we'll probably just auction both these off
starting at $1. It's good to go for. We don't plan on obviously making like big profit off that, but it's good to give our whatnot audience a chance for a good deal. This is from GameStop. This is Star Wars The Mandalorian laser printed. It's like beer mugs, pretty much. Personal stuff, we got this Nest Wi-Fi router. This pretty much just is a Wi-Fi enhancer, so you put these little nodes around your house. This is their 4 for $20 deal, so I think any game that's $9.99 and under, if you get 4 of them, they only charge you 20 bucks, so $5 a piece. So we got Super Mario 3D World, Pokken Tournament, Just Dance 2016, and then Kingdom Hearts 3 for the PS4. So for 20 bucks, that's a decent little stack. And then back at Target, I saw this. Let me go and open it for y'all. So this is either a phone holder or a controller holder. And this one actually, you can plug in this little USB-C into it and the base will light up. So there's the on off button right there.
Oh, it already turned on.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's charged. Cool.
Oh.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's on. I love these little controller holders. I have a bunch of different themed and different variant Xbox One controllers that I want to display. So adding a sick one. Look at this, he's got a giant bazooka on his back, rocket launcher. So paid up a little bit, guys, I'm gonna be honest, but too cool to pass up. Last item right here is this Disney Mirrorverse. This is solely, first of all, this thing's like probably 5 pounds. Solely, I've been told this is like some kind of mobile game where you take Disney characters and you turn them into like badass little fighters. So this is solely, obviously he's a tank character because he's a beast. The price was $31. 50% of that we paid $16, $15.50. Again, something that we'll probably just throw up on whatnot, and if someone wants it, they want it, cool. Stuff like this we don't expect to make money on or to profit highly on, but we always like to give little goodies here and there just to spice up our streams.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave it down in the comments below and definitely comment about the kitten's name. Again, we're thinking about naming her Mew. So just let us know what you guys think about that.
Guys, Walmart clearance is coming up. 3-cent video games is coming up. If y'all want to be a part of that and be notified within 12 hours with a video of it happening, might want to subscribe. Last year, literally, Amy stayed up till 5 a.m. editing a video so she could have it posted that morning so y'all can know the deals real time. So might want to subscribe. I don't know. We're on the road to 20K.
Go ahead and do it. Just do it if you haven't already.
Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, we'll be chatting.